Today, we have some exciting news from Samsung. We have spotted new entries in the Galaxy lineup. Get ready to dive into the latest buzz surrounding Samsung's upcoming releases. So let's dive right into it. First up, we've got the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G, and it looks like Samsung is not holding back on their smartphone releases. We found the Galaxy A55 5G with model numbers SM-A5560 and SM-A5565 on the Bluetooth SIG certification site. Yes, you heard it right. The A55 is coming and it's 5G ready. What caught our attention is that both models will support the latest Bluetooth 5.3 standard. This indicates that Samsung is not only focusing on performance, but also ensuring the latest connectivity features for its users. It's always great to see manufacturers staying up to date with the latest technology. But that's not all. We've also stumbled upon the Galaxy F55 with the model number SM-A5565DS listed on the Bluetooth SIG certification site. The interesting part is that it will be supporting Bluetooth 5.2 version. Now, if we look back at Samsung's history, the F-series phones have often shared similar specifications with their M-series counterparts. So, could we be expecting a Galaxy M55 with Bluetooth 5.2 as well? It's definitely a possibility, and it wouldn't be the first time Samsung has done this rebranding exercise for different audiences. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments below. Now, switching gears a bit, it seems Samsung has more in store for us. We have a piece of news about the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite making a return in 2024. The tablet has been spotted on the Global Certification Forum, suggesting that Samsung is gearing up for its re-release. If you've been a fan of the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, this might be great news for you. The GCF certification indicates that Samsung is working on bringing this tablet back with some upgrades or tweaks. We're eager to see what improvements they have in store for us. And that's a wrap for today's Samsung Galaxy updates. Are you excited about these upcoming devices? Tell me in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace. As we all know, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is releasing, so let's talk about it. If you have already watched this video, you can skip this part. The much anticipated Galaxy A55 is on the horizon, and we have got all the details you need. Samsung's Galaxy A50 series has been a standout in the smartphone market, particularly for its impressive features at an attractive price point. Following the success of the Galaxy A54, Samsung is gearing up for the release of its successor, the Galaxy A55. Let's delve into everything we currently know about this eagerly awaited device. Going by historical patterns, Samsung typically unveils its Galaxy A series phones towards the end of the first quarter, so we can anticipate the Galaxy A55 to hit the stage around March 2024, following the release schedule of its predecessors. Shifting gears to variants and pricing, Bluetooth SIG data hints at three Galaxy A55 models: SM-A556B, SM-A556E, and SM-A556E_DS. The SM-A556B seems tailored for Europe, while the others may target Asian markets. While exact pricing details are scarce if we consider past generations, the Galaxy A54 at £449/$449, the Galaxy A53 at £399/$449, and the Galaxy A52 at £399/$499. It's reasonable to expect the Galaxy A55 to stay below the £500/$500 mark. Design. Leaked renders showcase the Galaxy A55 in three captivating colors: awesome ice blue, awesome lilac, and awesome navy. Inspired by the A54, it features the key island design with a subtly raised frame around the power and volume keys, confirming a sleek metal build. The phone has rounded corners, a protruding rear camera array, and a flat display with a noticeable bezel and a punch hole for the selfie camera. Expected dimensions: 161.1 x 77.3, 8.2 millimeters, 6.3 x 3.0, 0.32 inches. Display. Now, turning our attention to the display. While exact details on the Galaxy A55's display specs remain uncertain, if Samsung continues with the A54's display, users can expect satisfaction. Speculations point towards a 6.5-inch flat display featuring a centered Infinity O front camera. Anticipated specifications include full HD plus resolution and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. Given the A54's impressive display, any enhancements in this area will surely elevate the overall user experience. Performance. Now, let's talk about performance. The Galaxy A55 continues the series evolution, moving from the criticized Exynos 1280 to the improved Exynos 1380 in the A54. Now it's rumored to feature the latest Exynos 1480, a promising upgrade. According to Geekbench 6 results, this new SoC is expected to be paired with an unconventional GPU choice, the Eclipse 530 based on AMD's RDNA2 architecture. While the CPU improvements may not be groundbreaking, the shift in GPU could potentially enable the A55 to support ray tracing in games, although this feature is yet to be confirmed. The A55 prototype scored 1127 in the single-core test and 3090 in the multi-core test, surpassing the A54 by a slight margin. The device is expected to retain 8 GB of RAM, maintaining a balance between performance and efficiency. Cameras. Shifting our focus to the camera setup, rumors suggest that the Galaxy A55 might not bring significant changes in this department. The Galaxy Club report suggests no major changes, but that's not necessarily bad news. The A54 delivered impressive photos for its price. While the rear camera setup seems consistent, unfortunately, there's no news on any front camera updates. If the leaks are accurate, the Galaxy A55 might continue to use the same 32-megapixel front camera sensor as its predecessor, the Galaxy A54. While the A54's front camera delivers decent performance, some users may have hoped for an upgrade given the iterative nature of smartphone releases. Battery and charging. Now onto the Galaxy A55's battery and charging. TÜV Rheinland certification reveals 25 VLU fast charging with 9V and 2.55 as support. The 3C certification reinforces Samsung's dedication to fast charging in mid-range phones. While exact battery details are limited, we anticipate reliable 5,000 mAh for extended usage. Network and connectivity. Moving on to network and connectivity, the Bluetooth SIG certification reveals that the Galaxy A55 will sport Bluetooth 5.3, matching the capabilities of its predecessor, the A54. Consistent connectivity ensures a smooth user experience, especially with wireless accessories. Software. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the software. The Galaxy A55 is gearing up for launch with Android 14 and Samsung's One UI 6, promising a seamless and user-friendly experience. This combo suggests exciting enhancements to Samsung's ecosystem. Plus, users can anticipate robust software support with the possibility of receiving 4 major Android updates throughout the device's lifespan. Stay tuned for those latest Android advancements.